Welcome, in front of me is the Oppo A52, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here, and yeah, it can be found in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. So from here, let's get it and pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, right over here. And once you take it out, you have space for one SD card and two different SIM cards. You can place them accordingly. Now when you place them, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray and hold them in here. There's nothing actually holding them securely in place, so if you flip the tray over, they will just simply fall out. From here, slide it into the device and you should see a pin for the SIM card. At least that's for me. If you don't have any pin, then nothing will show up for you, but there is mine. And once you insert it, as you all can see, it unlocks the SIM card. So SIM card obviously is working, and SD card should be as well. Once I'll show it through the storage. And there we go, there's the SD card, as you can see. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.